It's a structured query language. Okay, again, this is containing what? Containing DDL, DML, DRL, TCL, and DCL. Okay, these are important. Okay, listen. Data definition language. Okay, same thing. Say data manipulation language. What about DRL abbreviation for DRL? DRL abbreviation.
Data
Data
retrieval.
retrieval language.
So data retrieval or query language. So these are important. Okay, query language. Okay, what about TCL?
Transaction control language.
So transaction control. So transaction. Okay, so what about DCL? Say, what about DCL?
Data control language.
Data control. So transaction control language. DCL data control language. So this is fine. We'll see one more time. So if I want to communicate the Snowflake, I should require SQL, DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, and DCL. Okay, let me go back. Okay, so outside. Now where I should click? Click on what? Click on the SQL worksheet. Okay, now we'll see one use case. So only 45 guys are doing the task. Okay, you give the task.
అన్నా నేను అదిగో నీ మీటింగ్ ఐడి చేసేనా
See, stock quantity price. So this is my input. Now tell me how we're writing this amount column. Tell me how we're getting amount column.
Aggregation.
100 into price.
So see,
Analytical
quantity
function.
multiplication. So quantity into price. Okay, so same thing. So see, so this is my input. It contains 3 columns: stock, quantity, price. But what I need to, we need to multiply with. Okay, how we're writing this amount? Multiply with quantity into price. Let me help you the same thing. So tell me if I want to create table, what I require? What I require? I require
Database and schema.
And schema. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and schema name. By using query,
Current use current
no, by using select
current
Select current database.
Current database.
data scheme.
Current schema. Okay, this is the same. Now same thing in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How to find?
Show tables.
Show tables. So these basics are important. See, show tables. Show tables. This is fine. Now what is shortcut to create the table? Control Enter. Now how can I see the data? By using this statement, by using select state. Okay, select star from table. Now what is star here?
All.
What all?
It's a projection operator.
Okay, we'll see the same
All
thing.
columns.
You see, star is it is called as projection operator. What exactly it is doing? It is projecting
All data.
all the columns in the
Data.
table. Okay, so in the table, whatever the columns are there, all the columns will be projecting. It's a projection operator. Okay. Now, how many records are there totally? 6 records are there. See, stock, quantity, price. Now, see what happened now. What's requirement? I want to get this amount to column. Tell me how to get this amount column. What I should do? What I should do? We should multiply with quantity into price.
Price.
So this is important. Listen, one topic. Okay. Now what I should do? So comma quantity into price.
Price.
Okay. Now see what
Price.
happened. This heading is not good looking. So they want to get the proper heading. Tell me how to get the proper heading.
As amount.
Alice name.
So now we're discussing const is column alias. You see, nothing but it's a temporary name for a column. Okay, now see this is what. So this is not good looking. Now for displaying purpose, I want to give a proper name. How can I give proper name with the help of what comes with the help of column alias? Okay, see as amount. Okay, this is called as column alias. One more time. So see, this is not good looking. Now I want to give one proper name. So this is where how can I put with the help of column alias. Okay, column alias is the concept. This is now tell me this data is permanently stored. Huh? This data.
No.
Temporary.
So this is so remember select statement only for displaying purpose. So only for displaying purpose. So understand this is important to purpose only. So if I put Praveen, tell me now what happened. Praveen will be printed how many times? 6 times. Okay. So if I want to give property, we can put the property. So this is only for displaying purpose. Now what happened now? If I want to make this changes permanently, what I should do? I want to have this changes permanently. Then what I should do?
We
Commit.
need to come.
No. Commit.
Update.
Create or update.
If I commit, what will happen? Nothing. No. We did not perform. This commit. So remember, select is only for displaying purpose. Now what happened? Anything will happen to the data? Tell me. Nothing will happen. No.
Alter the table to add the column.
Okay, so first what we need to do, we should add a correct. First we should add a new column. So tell me how to add a new column. What is the command? That is
Alter table.
okay. So definition
Alter
go for
table.
alter statement.
Table.
Alter table
Table.
Table name. Add
And
amount.
So what it is? It's a number edit.
number.
Tell me the new column will be added at the starting or middle or at the
Ending.
last.
Ending.
Ending.
Okay. For all these 6 records, what's the value? Default value will be what?
0. Null.
Null, not 0, null. We will see null separately. So it will be null. The new column will be added the last position with the null as the value. Okay. Now what happened? No data is there. Now how to modify the now I want to get this data. How to modify the existing record? We should go for what?
Update.
Update. Update. Grocery.
Grocery. Set
Amount
equal to price into
price.
Quantity into price.
Quantity. Okay. So, tell me, do you need require filtering concept here?
no.
No, because we want to update all the records, no need to go filtering concept. Okay. Now, how to control this transaction with the help of commit? So the data will be permanently stored, cross verified. So this is the way we can able to get it done. So see, this is the same. So now, so this is the way we can able to make it. So got a point. So see, point is that what? So in my table, as of now, 3 columns are there. But while displaying, I want to go for 4th column. We should go for select a statement and a column alias. If I want to make it permanently, first add a column and update the data and commit the task. Now what happened? Now what we discussed so far. So how to put proper heading? Proper heading with the help of column alias. Column. Okay. Let me go for one more topic. So the column alias. So let me search.
Praveen, can we use that temporary table to create the table?
The table for
That you created a temporary table, right?
start temple or no. It's a permanent table. This is permanent.
The amount column you added right after.
Okay, this is the one column. This is permanent table.
And that is permanent. The other one, select star plus quantity into the line number 44.
This is
From
for
that,
display. Okay, right.
from here, can we create a table?
We can create basing sheet as task.
Oh, okay.
It has like a basic.
Okay.
Now what I can now see, select the
Praveen, your
star.
voice is breaking. It's not clear. Can you do something?
Yeah, your voice is very low, sir, actually.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Yes.
Yeah, now it's perfect.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir, now it's better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now it's okay. So now see the same functionality. Okay, one second, let me get the data. One second. One second, give me, we'll prepare data. Okay, data is there. Okay. Now how to see the data basing? Select star from employee. Okay. So control enter. Okay. Now tell me what is star here? It's a projection operator. It's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now see point is that what if I don't want all columns, if I want only specific columns, how to get only specific columns? Now I want to get only employee name. How to get? We need to write
Select employee.
ID, comma, employee name. So what are the columns required? We can go for this functional. So this is fine. Same thing now what happened? Now I want to get all the columns and a department ID at the starting. Tell me how to get department ID at the starting.
Show
See.
department ID first.
Okay, see we need to put the department ID at the first. See,
So
sometimes
select
what
column.
happen, so we're having so many columns for there. We can't able to scroll down like this. Instead of this, what happened? So I want department at the starting. Simply put, so department ID, comma, and we can able to get department ID at the first thing. Remaining are the we can able to get the function. Yes, star is nothing but projection operator. It's projecting all the columns in my table. Now I want only department ID column. So department ID from employee table. Okay. Now see here what happens. See 100, 200, 100. So duplicate records are there. But I want to get only unique records. Tell me how to get only unique records. You should go for what concept?
Distinct.
Distinct.
So distinct keyword. Okay, step by step we need to understand. So distinct to get the unique records. Now I want to put one proper heading. How to put one proper heading? We should go for what concept?
Alias.
Alias. What alias?
Column alias.
Column alias. So department ID. But what happened? I want to get the spaces. Tell me spaces how to get. We should go for what concept? Go for double quotes. Okay, see double quotes. Okay, see. So point is that what if I want to get, suppose see if I want to get, okay, like this without spaces, we can go for like this. But I want to get the spaces. Okay, then we should go for what? We need to put double quotes, double quotes. So this is the concept of this, okay, column alias. For displaying purpose, this is useful, okay, for column alias. Same thing now, what happened? Select the star from employee. Now it's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now what happened now? I don't want all the records. I want only department ID 300. Now we should go for what concept? I want to filter some data. Now we should go
Where
filtering concept. So filtering concept, nothing but what?
Where clause.
Where class. Okay, see. So if I want to displaying purpose, go for column alias. How to get unique records? We should go for what concept? Go for
Distinct.
keyword.
Distinct.
Okay. Now we're discussing filtering concept. So filtering concept start with class. Start with where class.
Where
Where.
clause.
Okay. See, this is important. Now in my table that contains 8 records are there, but I want to fetch only gender F. How to get? We should go for what concept? Go for where
Where
gender
gender equals
equal
to
to
F.
F. Okay. Tell me data will come up
it won't come
by.
because it's a small if.
So data is case sensitive. So see, control enter. Now see what happened. So data is there, but why it's not getting this data? Because data in the database is case sensitive. This is important. So data in the database is case sensitive. So sensitive nothing but what if I put capital M, we need to put capital M only. If I having the capital F, let's put capital. So it's a case sensitive, case sensitive. So this is fine. Now same thing. Now I want to get salary 75,000. So see, now tell me where is the compulsory condition of C? There are 8 records are there. Out of 8 records, we're getting only 3 records. Now where is the compulsory condition of condition? Where is a compulsory condition? So compulsory nothing but what if conditions satisfy only data will give. It's a compulsory condition. Now same thing. Now what happened? Now I want to get 75,000. Now how to get 75,000?
And
We should go for
And where?
and only one time we can write where condition. You can write and salary
it's
salary equal to 77. We'll see the real time use cases 75,000. This is fine. Now same thing. I want to get employee ID 4. Same thing. One more and condition and employee ID equals to 4. Okay, see here what happened. So it is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now it's projecting only gender F. Now it's giving only gender F and salary 75. Now it's need to satisfy. Tell me out of these 3 condition, if one condition fail, data will come up. No. So see, point is that what? Okay. Now all the things need to be satisfied. So first, if I put now what happened? If any condition fail, it won't give any data. So here all the 3 conditions need to satisfy. If any condition fail, it won't give any data. Here, where is compulsory condition? What about and? And is also compulsory condition. Compulsory. So compulsory. Now point is that what now? I want to fetch only employee ID 1. How to fetch only employee ID 1? We should go for filtering concept. Filtering concept start with class, start with where class. Okay,
where employee
employee ID
ID
equal to
equals to 1.
1. Now see, I want employee ID 1 as well as employee 2. How to write two condition?
or
So can I go for under? You tell me it work?
it won't work. Sir.
So because no, it is not possible. So we are asking for one record to get employee one employed. So it won't work. Now we should go for what concept? Instead of one, we should go for
Or
R concept. Okay, see R. Now see, this is important, simple only. So it is giving employee ID 1, employee ID 2, and employee ID 3. Okay, so see, this is the functionality. So R is in, so suppose if I put 10, now what is the output we'll get? We'll get only 2 and 3. If I put 20, now what happened? You only 3. If I put 30, what will happen? Tell me. It won't give any data because here R is a compulsory optional condition. Tell me. R is a compulsory optional condition.
optional.
Optional condition also. See if this condition satisfies, it will give this kind of value. If this condition satisfies, so if all these conditions satisfy, will give the same. But where is a compulsory condition? Tell me, instead of writing multiple R, I want to simplify this code. How to simplify this code? So instead of writing
We have to
multiple
use in function.
in operator. Okay, see. So same thing. So employee ID. So equal to will work for only one record. If I want to get multiple, we go for in. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, comma 3. Okay, now see the same thing. So here point is to tell me R is an what? R is an condition, compulsory optional. It's an optional condition. Okay, R is an optional condition. Okay, what about in? In is also optional condition. It is similar to what? It is similar to
Or
multiple R. Okay, it's a similar to multiple R condition. So see where compulsory condition and compulsory condition are optional in optional. If I want to get multiple values, go for either or in concept in operator. Okay, this is the functionality. One more time. Now see this data. So select. I forgot the table name. How to get the table name? Go for show tables and see the table name. Okay, see which is my table? Employee table. Select star from employee. What is star here? It's a projection operator.
Projection
What
operator.
exactly it is doing? It is projecting all the columns and all the records in my table. Now see here what happened. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, I should get 5. Now how to do sorting in SQL? By which concept? Sorting. Now I want to get after 4, I should get 5, 6 like this. We should go for what concept? Sorting in SQL. By using
descending.
order
Descending.
by. Order by.
Order by.
Okay, order by is a keyword. Okay, see, order by class. Order by employee ID. Okay, EASC. What is ASC? It's an ascending set. Nothing but so smaller value to bigger value. If I put descending, nothing but what? So bigger to smaller value. If I remove this one by default, what type of sorting?
Ascending.
So by default, okay, if I don't mention it's an ASC ascending sorting. Same thing what happened? Select star from from employee, it's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I am putting order by 3 DESC. What is 3 here? What is 3?
Column name.
Which column?
Third column. Salary column.
Okay, so see, we can able to mention, okay, order by employee ID name, or we can mention see, by using column name or by using position. So third, first, second, third. So salary which within descending sort will be there. So third column descending sort. Same thing if I put first column descending. Tell me if I put 0 it work? It work
No.
0. So see
No.
in SQL numbering start with what? Numbering start with 1, not with 0. Okay. So it will not working. Same thing, copy the value. Now I'm putting 10th column. 10th column is there. So 10th column is not. We need to give only the number of columns which you have. Okay, so we are having around 6 columns, or we should give only 6 number 6. If I put 3, it is the functional. Same thing now what happened one more time. Suppose if I put order by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So order by 1 second, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now if I put 5, what happened? Tell me 5. What's the column name? Gender. Gender descending. Tell me we'll get first F or first M?
Yes.
First F.
By F.
First M.
No, descending, no? Descending will be M and F.
M and F.
Okay, so this is the functional. Alphabetical sorting. Okay. Same thing now what happened? Copy the same value. Okay, order by 1. Okay, so this is what? First column ascending sort. Okay, this is fine. Now I want to get only third column. Tell me how to get only third column. Tell me how to get only third record. Employee, which can go for employee equal. So before that, suppose I'll put order by 3. So this is the same functionality. Now I want to get employee ID starting from 50,000 to 75,000. I want to get this employee lines book. Requirement is that what? I want to fetch employees who are ranging from 50,000 to 75,000. Tell me we should go for what concept? Between concept. Tell me, can I write in concept in operator? So where salary in 50,000, comma 50,001, 50,000 to 50, tell me it's possible up to 75,000. So it is not possible. So I know starting limit, I know ending limit. So for range of values, we should go for what concept?
Between.
So range of values, we should go for between operator. So between operator. So between operator. Okay. So what is syntax for between? So in for specific records, Control C, copy the same thing, Control V. Now we need to write salary between. Okay, these are basics, but very, very important. So between 50,000 and 75,000. Okay. So now tell me, now 50,000 will come or not? This value will be populated or not? 50,000. It will populate. What about 75,000?
It will come.
Okay, see why? Because so this is the lower limit, upper limit, both are inclusive. This is the important point. Okay, see lower limit and upper boundary. Okay, so both are inclusive. Inclusive nothing but what? If condition matches, we'll get this value. So this is the concept. Okay, clear so far? So this is the functionality. Okay, so okay, this is the function. So lower limit and upper limit. This is the way we can get it. Clear so far? Same thing, copy the same value, Control C and Control V. Now understand this question, important. Tell me this data will be populating or not?
Yes.
This will come.
Why?
Only 50,000.
Why? How many cards will get?
Limited. Only 50,000.
On how many cards will get populated? 1 or 2 or 3?
2.
Two
Two
records.
records. So, see, so 2 records. Okay, see. So lower limit, upper. I'll tell the logic. Now copy the same thing. Now I put little bit bigger value. Tell me now record will come or not, and why?
Lower limit should not
Because
be
this is from higher to lower.
Okay, now it will come. The records will be populated or not?
It won't
No.
come.
Why?
The condition is incorrect actually. The first lower limit should be correct amount.
Okay, see. So point is that what? Okay, see here. Okay. So if I execute now what happened? So data will not be populated. See, remember point is that what? Always this lower limit should be either lesser value or should be equal value. It should not be greater value. One more time, this is important. See, always lower limit or lower boundary value should be less than upper limit or upper door. Tell me true or false. This is true condition. Same thing. If it is equal to condition, tell me it will work or not. It will
It will work.
But what happened when I put control D? Now I make it to, so this is lower limit value should be, it is correct. It's a false condition.
False.
So, okay, always make sure like this lower limit should be lesser than upper limit or should be equal to. It cannot be greater than if it is a false condition. So this is see, when it is both are, it's a small value, it's giving data. Okay. So when it's a small, both are same value, it's giving data. But here what happened, this is bigger value. So it won't give the data. So this value should be lesser or equal to. This is the functionality. Clear so far? So this is the concept of filtering. Same thing. Now what happened? One more time. Copy the same thing. Now see what happened now. Order by one. One is nothing but first column. Now I want to get only employee ID 3. How to get only employee ID 3? We should go for what concept? Go for where
Where
Employee ID
employee
equals
ID
to 3.
equals to 3.
filtering concept where employee ID equal to 3. Okay, now it will give only 3. But what happened? I know starting limit. I want to get starting from 3, ending up to 49. I don't know ending limit. I want to get, I know starting limit. From starting from 3, I want to get all the records. Now, how to get all the records?
Employee is greater than or equals to 3.
So see, if I put equal to 3, it will give only third record. I want only starting limit. I know, so go for greater than or equal to 3. So if I don't want 3, then
Greater than 3.
simply put greater than 3. Okay, so this is the functionality. Same thing now what happened. Now I know ending limit 40. Now I want to get starting from 40 to big smaller value. Then what happened? We need to go for what?
Lesser than or equal to
Less
40.
than or equal to 40. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now next thing is that what now I want to get starting from 3 and ending. So requirement is that what? So I want to get range of values from starting from 3 and ending 40. Tell me we should go for what concept?
Between.
Between. Okay, see between. Okay, see. So employee ID between
3 and 40.
3 and 40.
3
Tell me,
and
is there
40.
any other option apart from between? So answer is here. Tell me. So I don't want to use the between concept. Is there any way?
Greater than or less
So
than.
simple greater than or equal to 3. What's giving? It's giving 3, 4, 5, 6, 40, and 49 is giving. Okay. What about this value? What's giving? Less than or equal to 40, nothing but what? It's giving? It is giving all the things. Okay. See?
1 to
1, 2,
40.
2, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
40.
Now what happened now? I want to get 3 to 40, 3 to 40. Now how to have
Range.
condition? We can go for one more
Range.
condition. No. Instead of range, is there any option?
Greater than.
So simple
Greater than equals to 3 and
And-
less than
and-
equals to 40.
and employee ID less than or equals to 40. Okay, so we can go for save. Okay, if I know starting limit, if I know any, you can go for between, or you can go for where we can go for compulsory is and condition. So we can go for same thing. Now what happened now? I want to get employee ID 5, employee ID 10, employee ID 6. Now we should go for which concept? I want to go for specific records. We should go for which concept? Specific.
Where?
In not in, we can in or we can go for R. I want to get employee starting from 5 to 100. Now we should go for which concept?
Between.
Between, or we can go for greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to. Okay, this is the same. Now how to perform sorting? With the help of order by class. Now how to give the proper heading? With the help of column alias.
Alias name.
Alias. Okay, so order by class, column alias. Okay, so this is the same. And next you can see how to get unique records with the help of distinct keyword. Okay, how to filter data with the help of where class. So where condition. So where and or in between. These are the filtering concept and the sorting concept. Let me go for the same use case. Let me write a simple use case. So Flipkart. Okay, we'll see the Flipkart application. Tell me Flipkart is one table. Assume Flipkart is one table. Now I want to get all the columns and all the records in Flipkart table. How to get?
Select star from the
Select a star from table name. So select a star from Flipkart. Tell me how many records, Assume. What exactly it is? Star is nothing but what? it is projecting all the columns
All
and
the
all the
columns
records
and the
and all
rows.
the records from the Flipkart table. Suppose there are 5 lakh records are there. Now I want to purchase a phone. Tell me, can I search for 5 lakh records? Sir?
No.
No, it is not possible. Now we should go for what concept? What concept? This is
Column 4.
filtering concept. Now filtering. You see, from 5 lakh records, it is reducing to 10,000 records. Now tell me how to have the condition compulsory. Now we should go for what concept? Filtering concept. Start with
Filtering concept.
where concept.
Where?
Where category equal to
Four.
4.
Four.
4. Okay, so
And
same thing. Now what happened? My budget is assumed like 10,000 to 30,000. Okay. Now this is my range of value. Tell me, can I go for lower value? Can I go for upper value? So it is not possible. So my range is what? So 10,000 to 30,000. Now tell me now how to make it working. Now I know.
And
So see.
if and
And
Okay, see, now see, from 10,000, it is reducing to 4,000. Tell me how to handle the compulsory condition. Go for one more and condition.
under.
Tell me. Okay,
price.
so range of values should go for
Price.
what concept? Between
Price
concept.
between.
Between. Tell me this will work. Huh?
It won't work.
Okay, it won't work because what do you think? Always this value should be lesser,
Lower to higher.
lower value. Okay, so lower to higher, or it should be same value. Okay, so see the same. Now how many records came? So 4,000. 4K records came. Okay, so 4,000. Same thing. Now what happened? Okay, I don't want all brands. I'm looking for only Samsung brand. See how many records came? So 585.
580.
Tell me how to get compulsory condition. Go for one more and condition. Okay, and brand equal to Samsung. So see, this is important. Now see, from the 4,000, it's getting 600. Now instead of Samsung, I want to go for Vivo brand. Now see, records are increasing. Records are increasing nothing but what?
there are a lot of.
Tell me.
Sorry.
We have more Vivo phones in that range.
No, question. Point is that what? In a concept I'm asking. See, 1 second.
We are
So see,
including 2 brands.
okay, how to include 2 brands?
You can use the and condition in the brand.
And
Like
not
price.
okay. See, so see, if I put, see what happened. If I put and it will work.
In condition, in.
Okay, if I put, okay, if I put in and now what happened? So see, for one record, so it is not possible. So see, I want to get Samsung brand, or we can go for R condition.
R.
Okay, R. Okay, see, R. Okay, not in, it's an R condition. Okay, brand equal. Same thing now. See, okay, see now go for which brand? Now, okay, see Vivo brand. So see from 972. Same thing. Now what happened? I want to go for Oppo brand. See, records are increasing. So nothing but an R condition. Okay, see, in the same thing, if I want to get multiple values, we go for R condition. See, R.
We can go with in as well, right?
We can go for in also. See, instead of writing this multiple condition, how can I simplify this code with the help of what? With the help of in concept. In, so brand in. Okay, see, when in the same condition, if I want to get multiple values, we should go for R, or we can go for in concept. Now it will giving either Samsung or Vivo or Oppo. Now how many cards giving? It's giving 1,000 cards. Okay, see 1,000. Now same thing. Now what happened? Now see, I want to get 50% or more. So discount 50% or more. Tell me how to get discount. So records are reducing and discount. Discount
Equal to.
not equal to. This is 50% or more. Say greater than or equals to 50. So now 50% or more. Now I know starting limit. I don't know. We can go for 50%. Same thing. Now what happened? 54 records came. Now I want to get pricing in low to high. Low to high, nothing but what? Smaller value to bigger value. High to low, nothing but what? Tell me. Bigger to. So how to perform starting with the help of order by price ascending or descending. So by default, this is the functionality. Same thing. Now what happens? See, this is important. So this is the filtering. See, there are so many Samsungs rather, but I'm getting only single Samsung. How to get unique records with the help of what concept? So we should go for distinct. Okay, see, so distinct brand. Okay, so distinct. So brand. Okay, so this is one more query for testing functionality for getting unique record. Same thing, one more use case we'll see, and we'll try to close the same thing. Tell me now, I want to get all the columns and all the records in Myntra table. How to get?
Select
Select
Select star from
Select the star from
Myntra.
table.
Myntra. Select the star from Myntra table. Okay, so Myntra table. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay. So now what is star here is projecting all the columns and all the records from the Myntra table. Now assuming it's also having 5 lakh records. Now what happened now? I want to purchase a shell. Tell me now it's a what? It's a
Filtering.
filtering concept. Okay. Let me go for what concept? Go for
Filtering
where condition.
Where.
So where category. We can give anything. Category equals to
Equals to
shirt.
shirt.
Shirt. Okay, shirt. Okay, now see what happened. How many records came? 2.2 lakhs records came. Can tell me it's equal to search. This will take 2 to 3 days. Okay, so this is not correct. Now what happened now? I want to purchase for me. Can I go for women? No. Can I go for boys? No. We need to go for men. See, from 2 lakhs, it is reducing to 1.7. Say compulsory is under condition and gender equals to men. Okay, so see how many records? 1.7 lakh records came. So it's also bigger value. Okay. Now what happened now? So my range of values is this thing. So this is my range. Now how many cards came? So 1. Same thing. Let me reduce the same thing. Okay, so this is my range. Okay, see what happened? So 100 and 700. So one more under condition and price between
Between
200 and 1700 something. Okay, now how many cards came around? 1 lakh records came. 1 lakh records. Same thing. Now what happened? Now see, I want to go for only blue color. Tell me how to get only blue color. We should go for one more and condition
And.
and color
Color equals
equal
to
to blue.
blue.
So this is the functionality. Now same thing. Now what happened? So blue is there. Now see how many cards came? 22,000 records came. I want to go for blue color and white color. See, records are increasing. Now it's what? It's an optional condition. You can go for or you can go for in concepts. Okay, so blue comma white color. So
White.
see, if the same thing if I want, we go for in concept. Then we okay, what thing it's a 40K records. It's also bigger value. Okay. Now what happened? Let me go back here. I want to go for 60% and above. So how to get only 60%? We should go for and discount.
And discount equals to
equals
60.
Equal to, it will give only 60. Not
greater
equal
than or
to,
equal to 60.
Greater than or
Greater.
equal to 60.
Okay. Yeah. Apart from greater than equal to, is there any way? Without using greater than equal to, is there any way? I want to go for between concept. Tell me, can I go for between concept?
Yeah,
Between
20.
we'll have to know the lower and higher value.
Tell me, we can go for what's higher value generally?
100.
100, no? Can we use 100?
Yeah.
We can use. Okay. So
Yeah,
I can
between 60 and 100.
Okay. So discount between 60 and 100. Okay. So generally we don't use 100 nothing, but they'll give to free. Okay. So this is the same. Okay. So this, now how many cards came? 15,000 records. Now what happened? I want to go for okay. See something like this brand. Okay, brand. Okay, we need to write one more condition and so brand equals to the specific brand. Okay, we can tell me for single records also can I put in conditional?
Yes.
No.
No, why?
No, yeah. Single condition.
You can know anything. Okay, see. So equality will work for only single condition. If I want to get single condition, multi condition, you can go for either in. Okay, so there is no limitation. You can wait. So 500 records. Now ultimately I want to perform sorting. Tell me how to perform sorting.
Order by.
Low to high.
Order by.
Okay. So customer rating will be what? Good or bad? So it will be descending or ascending? Say descending.
Descending.
Okay, descending. So this is fine. Same thing now what happens? See, now I want to go for it. So customer rating, popularity, new. Okay, tell me how to get latest data. What I should do? What's the column name? Latest data. Order by. Suppose see I produced the shirt yesterday. That's the latest data. How to get yesterday? We should go for what? Order by manufacture date, ascending or descending?
Descending.
Descending. Latest date descending. So this is the functionality. Now, how to get highliner? Multiple things are there. I want to get unique card. We should go for what concept?
Distinct.
So distinct keyword. So this is filtering concept. This is sorting concept. This is the function. You got the point of filtering concept and the sorting concept. Let me take the syntax, some use cases. You need to prepare like this only. Take the visualization, make it working. Okay, 1 second. So I'll give the task, work on it. Okay, same thing. Now tell me one more use case. Okay, tell me Zomato, Zepto, Zoom is there. Tell me if I want to perform ascending start, which one will come first? Zepto or Zomato or Zoom?
Zepto.
Zepto.
Zepto. Next one, Zoom or Zomato?
Zomato.
Zomato. Alphabetical. So Zomato, Zooms. Okay, this is the function. Okay. So tell me this one is important. Logical question. Now see what happened. Okay, assume this is one table, price is the column. Tell me now, I want to get this condition only. How to get select star from table where price
Less than.
Less than.
Less than or equal to.
not equal to select
Less
star
than.
from only less than. No? Where price less than 25, not equal, no? So they're not mentioned. Okay, less than. Okay. Same thing if I want to get this condition
Where price between
25,000 and
20,000 and 50,000.
Okay, what about these two condition?
Or
25,000 and 1 lakh.
Now, generally, if I want to write two condition where price between 25,000 and 50,000, and then
R.
R around
R.
R. Okay, see, simple thing. Don't get confused. It is simple concept only. Okay, so like this is one logical question. See, where price between 25,000 and 50,000. So this is one condition. Suppose if I want to have this condition, we need to write one more what condition? R condition. No, okay, R. Okay, because now I want to get these two conditions. So where 50,000, okay, and 1 lakh. Okay, tell me. So this is R nothing but these two condition. Suppose if I put and condition, tell me it will work or not? Any idea, anyone?
It won't work.
It won't work. See,
Only 50,000 will work.
only which will work? Only 50,000 data will be populated. So this is not. This is false because so we want to pick either this value or this or condition. Instead of writing two condition, how to write single condition?
between 25 to 100.
Okay, I know starting limit, I know ending. We can go for what? So between not in what will tell me if I put in worker? Suppose if I put price in 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. Tell me if I put in what will happen?
Only those three
It
values.
will check
Only-
only those three values.
So only three is values. This is not, no, I know range of values. So this is for only specific records. So in want. Okay. So we should go for what concept? We should go for what?
Between 25,000 and
Okay, see we are
1
price between 25,000 and 1 lakh.
1
Okay,
lakh.
so remember, so last simple thing, but you're getting confused. Okay, so for specific records, we should go for and concept. For range of values, we should go for what? We should go for either greater than or equal to, or you can go for between concept. So far good. But I want to get this condition. Tell me. This three condition I want to get. Then how to get?
salary less than 20, price less than 25,000 or price between 25,000 and 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Tell me within single condition, I want to handle all these things. I don't want three condition or two condition. With a single condition, I want to get it done. Tell me.
Between 0
Less
to
than
1
100,000.
lakh.
So see, from this one, tell me we know starting limit or ending limit?
Yes, 0.
No, which we know starting limit or ending limit?
Ending limit.
Ending limit. Simply what happened? We can put
Salary less than
less than equal to
or
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay, so see simple thing. So here what happened? I know what? I know ending limit. Simply can put less than or equal to 1 lakh. Same thing now what happened? I want to handle this 3 condition. How to handle? So 1 lakh and more. It can be 2 lakh, it can be 10 lakhs. Tell me.
Greater than or equal to 20.
Greater than or equal to 25,000.
So I know starting limit. We can go for what? Go for greater than or equal to
Equal
25,000.
to 25,000.
So depends on, if I know ending limit, we can write the same function. Now I want to handle all this condition. Then
Less than.
I don't know. Tell me. We don't know any starting limit or ending. Then
You can use
Greater
the
Between Z,
Greater
can
than.
we don't know. Come again. Simple logic. Tell me.
Select star from table.
Simply we can able to don't use the condition, or you can go for, tell me price will be starting with 0. Simply now
Zero.
we can able to remove the filter condition, or you can use where price greater than equal to 0. So see this thing now. So simply the concept what we are discussing now, we should know how to implement and where to implement. That's all the main thing. So see, so we know we discuss separate between function, but what happened? We should know how to implement and where to implement and get the correct data. So if I want to get only these two conditions between 25 and 1 lakh, are greater than equal to 25,000 and less than equal to 1 lakh. Suppose if I want to get these 3 conditions, what I know ending limit less than or equal to 1 lakh. If I want to get, we know starting limit, we can go for greater than equal to 25,000. So see like this way. So if I know starting limit, if I know for ending limit, we can go for this functionality. Got the point. So this is filtering concept and the sorting concept. Got the point. I will give that as work on. Okay.
So in why the and is called as an compulsory and or is a optional? Why is that saying like that?
No, see, and is nothing but what, see, so see what happened. So let me go back here. Now tell me R is nothing but what, whether this value or this value or this value. Okay, see, R nothing but what, if any condition matching, it will give record. If one condition fail, what happened? Let me go back here. So select the star from employee. Okay, see, employee is nothing but what? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now see what happened if I go for where. Tell me where totally how many records are there? 8 records are there. If I go for where, sender equals to M. Tell me now what happened. It will give. Tell me this is if it is come. Okay, so it will give only male condition. Now, point is that what out of 8 records, we're getting 5 records only because this condition need to be satisfied. If it is a compulsory, that's why no, it's a where is a compulsory condition. See, as of now, how many records are there? 8 records are there. But I want to get only the M record. Then we should go for it's a compulsory condition. Okay. So where is a compulsory condition? Same thing now. What happened? Control C, Control V. So where employee ID equals to 1. Now it will give only first employee ID. Now what happened instead of employee equal to 1? I want to go for employee equal to 2. Okay. Now it will give what? It will give 1 or 2. Now suppose see this condition I am waiting to tell me. Now what happened? In my table having only 1 record. Now tell me now this is 1 is true condition, 1 is false condition. But what happened? We are getting this 1 record. So here nothing but what here? R is a optional condition. If any of the condition, if it is true, it will give this data. If it is fail, it won't bother. So point is that what this condition is satisfied, this condition is not satisfied. We get the out. This is a condition. So where is a compulsory condition? Because out of 8 records, we are getting 3. Only what? Only 5 records. Same thing if I put one more under condition, under salary, okay, equal to 50,000. Now what happened? Records are reducing nothing but it's a compulsory condition. So records are increasing nothing but it's an optional condition. That's what the function. So this is, so one more time, SQL statement, filtering concept, and sorting concept. See, step by step, we need to understand this functionality. Now, we're discussing SQL statement, filtering concept, sorting concept. We see the same thing, concat intermediate. See, so like this step by step, okay, see, create multiple tables, insert multiple data, filtering concept, sorting concept. So string functions, number function, like this, okay, see, we need to follow like this roadmap. Ask your questions.